Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about Microsoft 365 Copilot. One of the things that I've noticed during testing Copilot, I use it every day, by the way. It's a game changer for productivity, things that I can do. It's almost like a universal AI tool that is very well integrated with everything. One of the things, in the past, I've used some third-party AI tools to transcribe meetings and things like that. But there were always this additional user that kind of butts into the meetings, and everybody's like, "Oh, who's that? What's that?" With Copilot, none of that. The transcription recording is going on, and that's what it uses. And it's there's no additional users showing up in the meetings, none of that, and it works really well. The only thing that I would caution people on is that if you are using OneNote, and if you are using your personal OneDrive, the consumer one, and that's where you're putting your OneNote documents in, Copilot will not work. So in other words, the app that you're using, whether it's OneNote, Word, Office Suite, it has to be logged in and authenticated in your enterprise account. It seems pretty straightforward, that's how it would be, but I was hoping that it would work while the document was actually saved in personal OneDrive, because I've made a video before. It makes sense to have your OneNote documents in OneDrive, the personal OneDrive, so that even if you lose access to your enterprise account, you still have all your OneNote documents, because people put confidential stuff in there, right? Anyway, so that's one of the things that you want to be mindful of, is if you want to use Copilot, and let me share my screen really quick and I'll show you. This one, I had to basically migrate my OneNote document from personal OneDrive to the company OneDrive, and that's the only way that Copilot will work. Otherwise, if you don't do that, this Copilot icon will not be here, and even if it is, if you somehow get it to show there and you click it, it will say that there was an authentication problem. So just something small to be mindful of. If you are wanting to use Copilot, be ready to have everything in your enterprise account. Your Office, your OneNote, your documents, everything should be in there. And then it works flawlessly. It works seamlessly. Yeah, it costs a little more than OpenAI's subscription, but hey, it works well. And the best thing is that Microsoft is backing up Copilot with money. So in other words, if somebody files a lawsuit against you that, hey, this is their intellectual property, that AI just used it, Microsoft's going to back you up on that. So go ahead and subscribe. We'll keep making these videos, and hit the bell button so you get notified when a new video comes out. I just wanted to make this short, quick video around Microsoft 365 Copilot. Just a quick overview. Copilot is a generic term now, kind of like saying AI. You say Copilot. So there is some confusion that, there's GitHub Copilot, there's Microsoft Copilot, there's Windows Copilot, there's Bing Copilot. So Microsoft's calling Copilot to anything that is using AI on the back end. So think about it that way, and it will start to make sense. This video was specifically about Microsoft 365 Copilot. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Everybody have a great day, and be safe.